Excuse me. Excuse me. I am. But I just don't know if it's available worldwide. You saw Mina shaking ass. You saw Sharon?
When you write, your tone.
Yeah, it's a standard.
The round is like, wait, does it? It doesn't end after.
Going to Korea would be great. We're talking about a lot of our favorite Korean. How about you? How's your evening going? So, golds. I hate it. Excuse me.
To be fair,
I haven't drank coffee in over a year, and oof, big borps today. Allison is alive in the digital flesh. Hi, Timon. Are you at work right now? Excuse me. Yes. Here. Excuse me.
The blind?
Yeah.
If you
Sorry, I'm a little bit tipsy.
oh boy.
Everyone take a shot.
Enemy remaining.
Oh god, I almost had to.
Have to burp.
Blocking sight.
Plus 2.
That was, I don't know what that was. Good luck, guys. I'm in NA West. How are you, Blade? Alright.
Tossing.
Oh my god, that was a big one. How did I make a little trip out to... Maybe we need to...
Some seconds left.
You got this. Unbind that shit. Unbind it. Excuse me. That was a big burp. Oh god. How did your stream go? Excuse me. That was a big one. I'm very sorry.
I do not have lineups. That's way
Oh, 2 big burps. Oh my god. Stressy, depressy. I'm stressy. Spaghetti.
Let me know if it's a hard push, because I have
It'll be long, by the way.
19.
Oh. See if we go B.
Connect your Amazon account to your Twitch account. You can get 1 free sub to any because of Soperman. But excuse me. Don't see any of that. Thank you for the lurk, plays. I hope you're feeling. Oh. Excuse me. That's so bad. That was so bad. I haven't seen you. Rick and Morty. Excuse me. Excuse me. I can't. Oh my goodness. I'm so burpy. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's close, it's close. How much time is left? Chris, how's your day going, my love? Yes? That's a big one. We might be. So...
Keyboard, not my face, my fault.
Oh my god. What errands did you run today, Rafi? Excuse me. Excuse me. Move. That was all good. See, we're gonna just pick the positive mental. Excuse me. Everyone at the table could hear. Fuck. Sorry for doing that.
Let's go towards the circle.
Okay.
Holy fuck. Just fits in.
Excuse me.
Just rotate.
You could.
I noticed the burp meter was off. It is. No, it's on. It's just like. There you go. That was sexy.
I can hear you. Did you?
Getting all the ladies. Oh my. The sweetness that pineapple brings in a pizza.
30
I'm a big
seconds
fan. Let's go!
Am I wrong?
Me.
I got your back.
Excuse me.
Right here.
Oh.
Cool.
Oh god. Hello, Chewy. Excuse me.
I'm ranked demon. I think if you actually
Oh gosh.
Must keep up appearance.
Excuse me. Shit, I always forget to do that.
Wait, the year one like anniversary thing?
Never turn your back.
Oof. Thank you for the look, Andy. Yeah, they already have been. They've been interesting.
Looking that.
These guys are demons.
Yeah, that's
Excuse me. Well, I hope you've been well. I finished off my beer, so I'm like super burpy right now. Can we duet?
Hello.
Really good. Yeah.